it will let me on. It will let me pull up the document, but then the screen is blank. So I was able to get hers at least. Let's go on the record, please. This is cause number. This is cause number 2019 CR 6851, the state of Texas versus Patricia Martinez. Attorneys, please make your announcements for the record.
Denise Harrison for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Lauren Lefton for Ms. Martinez.
Okay, Ms. Martinez, I don't see her in the main room.
She's still in the breakout room?
Yes, go get her, please.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to use computers, so.
Yeah, she's not seeing my alert to come back. Okay, she's coming. All right, Ms. Martinez, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Unmute it? Yeah, okay, right there, miss.
Go ahead and tell me your full name for the record.
Patricia Martinez?
Okay, Ms. Martinez, on the screen, I'm going to show you the motion, the first amended motion to revoke your community supervision.
Yes, ma'am.
That has been filed by the state. Sorry. Back on February 10th, 2020, you were found guilty of the state jail felony.
Yes, ma'am.
I go work out at lunch. Oh, you were working on? Yeah.
Diego, can you mute yourself? Prostitution, third or more priors. At that time, I found you guilty of the offense. I
Yes,
sentenced you to 2 years confinement in the state jail facility, probated it for 2 years. So now, since that time, the state has filed a motion to revoke your community supervision. So state, go ahead and read your first violation.
Violated condition number 2, Your Honor. On or about the 10th day of July 2020 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Patricia Martinez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, in violation of condition number 2.
Is that true or not true? Ms. Martinez? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Okay, true, miss.
Yes, okay, go ahead,
Yes,
state.
yes, ma'am.
Violated condition number 5. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Patricia Martinez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer in person and or by Zoom for the months of September, October, November, December 2020, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December 2021, in violation of condition number 5.
Is that true or not true?
True, miss.
And the
True.
state with, and it's the remaining allegations, Your Honor. And we do have an agreement.
Go ahead.
The agreement is, I'm sorry, I just had it up. I believe it's for 240 days state jail.
Yes, ma'am. And she has about a little over 255 days in, so the judgment should be satisfied.
Okay, it's a TDC order, so she has to wait for TDC to release her. What probation, does she have any residential treatment, and what are those dates? Ms. Martinez, did you go to residential treatment?
Yes, you mean to what do you call that? Drug court, right, miss?
Hang on.
Yes, I went to drug court, but I got lost track. I was working and I just lost track of.
Hang on. Probation, does Patricia Martinez have any residential treatment? And if so, what are the dates, please?
Judge, I'm not seeing any residential treatment.
Okay, clerks, how many days in does she have? On the whole case?
255 days, Judge.
Okay. All right, that's what you want to do, Ms. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I do find that violation of condition number 2 and number 5 is true as pled in the motion to revoke your community supervision. And I do find that they are true. I will revoke your community supervision and I will reform your judgment from 2 years to 240 days confinement in the state jail. You get credit for the time that you have been in custody on this case. What's going to happen, Ms. Martinez, is we're going to send this order to the jail. They will communicate with TDC and TDC will send back the paperwork to release you. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
not going to be right away. You have to wait for them to do their process, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms.
Yes, ma'am.
Martinez, this is a plea bargain case because you made an agreement as to revocation. You also made an agreement to reform your judgment. So you do not have a right to appeal this. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You're excused.
Thank you, miss. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Denise, will you submit the dismissal for the failed
Gretchen-
ID?
Yeah, Gretchen probably already did it, so I'll double check with her.
Will you? Okay, I'll follow up later today just to make sure.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Bye, Judge.
Bye. I don't have a dismissal.
You don't? Okay.
Or ask her to find out if there's